Here we are in Poughkeepsie, New York with Got Wildlife Management, servicing New York and New Jersey. Today we've rescued some baby starlings from a commercial building in Poughkeepsie, and I want to show you what starlings look like. Let's open the box here. There's a shirt in there, as you can see, but you got 3 in here, and they're going to go to a rehabilitator. See how they come with the yellow beaks so their mother can identify them. And 2 others are sleeping, but they're going to a rehabber and they'll have a better day. Again, you're with Got Wildlife Management in New York and New Jersey. Have a great day.